In the past 63 years, Pakistan has never experienced such furious earthquake and in 2010 flood consecutively as it saw during August 2010 basically. And the impact on the life, the property and the livestock has been devastating. The damages caused by the flood and the earthquake also basically put the country to a state that may take years to cope basically. Especially the 2010 Pakistan flood becomes in July 2010 after having monsoon rains affected badly, and the communities are suffered on the great extent basically. In 2005 the earthquake hit the areas, local hilly areas, and almost 80,000 people just also died over there. And at the same time, I personally felt that basically there is a need to build the capacities of the local communities so that the people in emergencies work to save their lives, their livestock, and all other remaining activities basically. And now we are going to conduct, and we are going to start the projects with different NGOs working over there in the state of Jammu and Kashmir basically, and in Pakistan also. But the main focus is basically to build up the capacities of the people over there in the local areas, that people just have no any knowledge that how to cope the results, the bad effects of the flood and the earthquakes basically, and the people are thinking about this. Basically, there is no proper development system, infrastructure support to the communities that they cope all the damages over there during flood 2010 and basically in earthquake of 2005. So after observing all these things, basically a concept is generated in my mind that there should be an institution that work for the right-based activities and core in the capacities in grassroots level. Just we want to work over there basically. And we start basically focusing on the community-based disaster risk management in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, the Pakistan-owned Kashmir basically. And there basically our focus was to form a structure in village level and in UCs level, and then in the UCs and then village and then city level basically. And disaster management committees we established over there, which will comprise of key government officials of the UC and the activist and emergency response teams basically are working over there.